What's up YouTube? You know who it is. It's your girl Payne. We're back with another video, and today I'm about to be showing y'all how to unblock anything. So say for instance you want to unblock Roblox and you finish with all your work at school. This is a scroll laptop and you go on Roblox, right? And then all of a sudden you press it and it says pages blocked, Dallas Independent School District. If you're in my school district, then this will work for you. But I don't know about those other school districts. Well, I'm gonna show you how to get around this. Alright, so firstly, you want to disconnect your Wi-Fi. Alright, once you disconnect your Wi-Fi, you want to type in the site that you want to unblock. In this case, I'm gonna try to unblock Discord. Okay, it's gonna say this site cannot be reached. So then you want to connect your Wi-Fi back on. And then it's gonna load you back into Google search where you can find Discord, and you click on it immediately, and here you go, Discord. You can open Discord in your browser, enter your username, and yes, so you can do all that good stuff. But yeah, and also I'm gonna do one more example just to prove that this is real. Okay, so you're gonna want to disconnect, and you wanna say you wanna go to Netflix. Okay, so you type in Netflix and you go here, site cannot be reached, and then you press connected, and it's gonna connect you back. And then you click on it, and there you go, Netflix. And I hope you guys liked it. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you next time.